Hello, welcome back with another new solution of your problem. In this video I am gonna show you how you can fix your Hackintosh Trackpad for all models. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for another new solutions for your problems. So let's start. As you can see, I'm running Mac OS BigSur. Right now my trackpad is not working. We will try to fix today. As you can see, the stars of the trackpad dot and even my brightness slider and volume is not working. Just go to this website, link is in the description box. Select option FE download and scroll down to search the FE folder for your system variant. If you are on desktop, choose desktop variants. As I am on laptop, I will choose notebook and my variant is Canby Lake. Just download the files. Open the OpenCore bootloader. If not having before, download the latest link is in the descriptions. Mount your FE partition and open the FE partition. Delete your old FE folder as I already deleted mine. Just copy and paste downloaded folder into the partition. Now restart your system. My system has been restarted. As you can see, my brightness slider and volume slider is working. Wi-Fi is also working now. Let's head to the trackpad. Guys, as you can see, trackpad also working with gestures as well. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you having difficulty on some point, please let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching. See ya.